Welcome to the new weekly Harmonic app analysis. In this week, I would like to cover what I have mentioned in the previous week, this bullish bad pattern that has been formed on the chart. Bullish bad pattern that was in line with the trend, and also technical analysis was showing that these support and the resistance levels are in line with the entry level and also stop loss level, and also the take profit levels were on a good position. I have shared that inside the gold Telegram group to inform the traders that there is a bullish bad pattern available on the chart. But let's see how the price has behaved. We can see that currently the price has reached a stop loss level, which means this bullish bad pattern was unsuccessful. It is a failed one, which means if you have traded this one, it is a failed with loss, except here. If you have traded with a percentage, for example, if you have traded with a 1% of a loss, then you have 1% of loss currently because of this bullish bad pattern. Why the market did not react accordingly, this technical analysis and also bullish bad pattern. Why the price did not from this area of support reaching higher price levels or reaching the take profit level 1 and 2. Why this didn't happen? Well, there are several reasons. Some kind of news on the fundamental analysis that the price has reached lower levels that could not allow the price to reach high price levels. This could be happen, but in this case, it's not very important. We can just to check is the price react on the support and the resistance levels that we have put here. Did the price respect that or didn't respect that at all? If the price has respected these levels, this means that the technical analysis was done very good, and also the price has for some reason make this bullish bad pattern a failed one. If the price did not respect this area of support and the resistance, this means something has happened on the market, that technical analysis did not have any chances to cover and verify this bullish bad pattern as a valid one. Now, if you take a look here from the D point where the potential reversal zone is, this gray area, it shows that the price has made a bearish breakout below this area of support and gone all the way down where the price did not respect this area of support, and we will see will the price respect this area of support, which means the price has dropped down significantly without respecting these levels, which means something has happened on the market where technical analysis did not have any chances. So when that happens, for example, some kind of a news, you will not be able to win these patterns at all, even though they are very successful ones. So for now, we can skip this one. We do not pay attention too much of this one. We have just confirmed that something has happened on the market, like some kind of a news, because of this strong, we can see that bearish candle formed, not respecting the support and the resistance levels. So we can skip and watch for other bullish or bearish patterns formed on the chart detected by the Harmonic app scanner. So if you go to the notification, we can check if there is any formed currently on the chart that are in line with the trend, which is a very important criteria for us. And we can see there was sideways moving, not very clear trend where we can see the prices formed this bullish bad pattern and a small trend where the prices dropped down significantly. So this doesn't look very good for me because of the strong bearish momentum where the price could easily reach this area of support and stop loss. Then this one, we have here a trend moving sideways. There is no clear trend, so the market is moving sideways, so I'm skipping this one because it's not reliable. Then we have this one where we have also sideways moving, not very clear. Let's see this one. Also not very clear trend, moving up, moving down, moving sideways, so it's not very clear. I would like to skip this one. Then we have this one. Also do not have a very clear trend, so I will skip this one. This from the August one, these are the same ones. Let's check this one. Also moving sideways, slightly down, then slightly up, so it's not very clear, and it is already failed one. Let's take this one. Also do not have very clear trend, so I'm skipping this one. Also not a very clear trend, the price is moving sideways. Here we have also market moving sideways, not a very clear trend. We have several more from the 1st of August. And then we can see here a small uptrend. First of all, the price is moving sideways, 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 and then the price has formed a small uptrend. So it's not very clear the trend moving up, and we can see the price has reached potential reversal zone, the entry level, and currently it is heading to the stop loss. Maybe this could be also profitable one. I would need to make a technical analysis to see are the support and the resistance levels are in the right spot. And currently what I can see, this is the area of support where the stop loss is. Here is correct one, and the entry level is around this area. It is also on a good spot. So this one points that the support and the resistance levels are at a good position. This was something that I would move slightly, like in this example, and this one here. But the entry level and the stop loss are at a very good position, so I would not change them at all because the Harmonic step scanner has detected these levels precisely. But currently the price is heading to the stop loss, which means this is all could be also a failed one. It's not very clear trend. I have said that because we have a moving sideways first and then the price has reached a higher price levels. Not very clear trend. Let's check this one. Moving sideways, not very clear trend. Moving sideways also, it is also already failed one. Okay, it's already failed one, not very clear trend. We can see that. This is the one that we have checked. Let's check this one. Okay, so we do not have very clear a bullish or bearish bad pattern in line with the trend with the technical analysis, at least in the last few days. We can see that, so we need to wait until the Harmonic step scanner detects more of these patterns. I'm using only 4-hour time frame and the daily time frame, and you can put settings here which time frames you would like and which patterns. I'm using only bad pattern because I have focused only on one to make the analysis and also to see how profitable it is. If you would like to see how profitable it is, feel free to check the previous analysis. Most of the time this bullish or bearish bad pattern that is analyzed with the technical analysis is successful, which means most of the time reward to risk is more than higher than 3.0, which means if we have one bad trade it will be 1% of a loss, but if we have one successful trade it will be 3 and more percentage of a trading account in a profit. So feel free to check the previous week analysis, and also if you would like to for me to explain something, feel free to leave a comment and I'll try to make another video to explain how this works, and if there is any kind of issues or errors or some kind of questions how something works, I will try to answer as soon as possible. That's all for this weekly analysis. See you next time and next week. Happy trading!